So it's time for the October harvest table. Obviously this isn't everything we're going to pick in October, this is just a sample weekly harvest. Although there's a few things on here that are kind of bulk harvests. So some of the peppers, for example, we've still got a few pepper beds left, but this is more than the peppers that we would get through in a week. But mostly this is just a normal weekly harvest for us. And again, it's just we don't quite get through that number of apples in a week either. So apples and pears, more apples and pears. Last of the tomatoes actually. We've got loads of chili peppers left though. Potatoes from the store. We've got masses and masses of potatoes still in the pots to be harvested. Shallots, elephant garlic, red onions, white onions from the store. Almost the last, I think, of the courgettes. And we've got probably lots of these little immature squashes to get through as well, because we've now cleared the squash beds. And there's some more little squashes, and you'll see them scattered around the table. Still picking the dregs, really, of the red cabbages. Trying to keep the bigger, nicer red cabbages for later on in the year. Just a few samples of the beetroot. We haven't done the bulk beetroot harvest yet. Little tiny cauliflower. To be honest, the autumn cauliflowers have not done well. It's not been good cauliflower weather for us. And so that will probably be it for the flowering brassicas until probably December, when the purple sprouting broccoli starts. Beautiful colette leaves and kale leaves. These are gorgeous. This actually is one of the cabbages that is split and is going to seed, but right now I just took the heart out of it, and that is a gorgeous little cabbage, and I actually like that sort of cabbage more than one that's intact. Loads and loads of peppers, and as I said, we are clearing pepper beds. We've got 2 pepper beds still to clear, but I'm gradually working my way through them. So we've probably only got about 3 weeks of peppers left, and a lot of those are going to get frozen. So Debbie just freezes them on a tray and then bags them up once they're nicely frosted. And yeah, they look absolutely gorgeous when they're all chopped up. And also they go into the passata mixes, and we've been doing a lot of passata mixes this week as well. And then we've got the parsnips. That is the penultimate harvest of the early parsnip bed. And then we're on to the main crop parsnips. And probably the penultimate harvest of the summer carrots. So I know we're well into autumn now, but I'm still unfortunately working my way through the summer carrot bed, and I'll have to catch up soon. And then the first dregs of the Brussels sprouts. So I don't really like picking Brussels sprouts at this time of year, because I really want to save them for winter, but as you can see, those were not really going to survive much longer. So most of them are much better quality than that, of course, but better than nothing. Actually, don't mind them at that sort of quality level. They're okay. And so down there I've got salad rocket, I've got salad onions, I've got celery, I've got a little bit of spinach there for cooking. Tatsoi, more tatsoi. Last of the cucumbers, just a few radishes and turnips. More peppers, squashes. So mainly right now we've got just the tromboncinos, that one there at the back, and the crown prince, and they are in the conservatory curing. And as I said, just those few over there that I mentioned, like little immature bits and pieces that we cleared. And then down here we've got leeks, and that is the penultimate harvest of the summer leek bed. Again, we're a bit behind. And then all of this stuff under here, these are all the salad mixes, and I'll make those up now so you can see what a finished salad mix looks like. So I'm pretty much keeping to my objective, which is no big harvests this year. Just nice, modest harvests that fill the table every week, which is just what we and my family, local family anyway, get through in a week. So I just try every week to just stick to this kind of fairly modest harvest table and not kind of overwhelm everybody with too much veg. This is enough. My name's Steve. This is the Seaside Kitchen Garden and Allotment channel, and I'll see you soon.